Hey friends, I'm Jason, the marketing professor, and I teach everyone from the student to the CEO the essentials of digital marketing in 5 minutes or less. Let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you some ideas on how you can use digital marketing data to grow your business. Data is exciting. As a marketer, the one thing we love more than, well, cash is diving into data because that shows us how our marketing campaigns are working and how we can build further projects that are going to get us the results we're looking for. So let's dive into this, a couple of ways that you can use data to grow your business. Number one, it helps you understand customer behavior. You can see how customers are clicking on your messages or how they're going to your website, how long they're spending on your website, and what pages are the most important to them. Maybe it's not the fact that you have a big discount. Maybe they're spending a whole lot of time looking at your new running shoes for the 2024 running season. That's exciting. If that's the case, when you see more people are spending time looking at your running shoes, maybe that means you can use your email list to send out a nice offer to people who are looking for running shoes. Lean into that data and give your customers what they're looking for. It can also help you improve your marketing effectiveness. Like I mentioned, if we know people are looking at the running shoe page of your website, well, we don't necessarily need to send them something for gloves and mittens. What we can do is create marketing campaigns that focus solely on things around running shoes. So we have the running shoes. Well, you're probably going to need socks. Maybe you're going to need some talcum powder. Maybe if you're going to go out running, you're going to want to get a gait analysis. Maybe you're going to have an offer on a particular brand of running shoes. Maybe you're going to do a massive sale every year just on running shoes. I actually worked with a store that did this. They found out that in the fall, people were looking at more running shoes. So they only market this on Facebook, but they would actually open the store at 6 o'clock in the morning with hundreds of pairs of running shoes at deep discounts that people would go in and buy. Why? Because they learned that people were looking at their running shoes in early October. This also helps you to enhance personalization. If I'm looking at your website and I'm looking at running shoes and I get an email offer that talks about how to lose weight this winter or how to stay motivated in the cold or about the big sale that's coming up at 6 o'clock in the morning in a couple of weeks, I get excited about that and I think to myself, wow, you get me, you really feel me, you know it's important to me. When you have that kind of relationship, you start to generate more business because you're making an important connection. So there you have it, a couple of ways that you can use technology to connect with your customer, build your brand, and generate more sales. Don't forget to lean into that data. You have a lot of it. And if you don't know how to lean into that data, that's okay. There are a lot of people that can help you out. That's when you reach out to a marketing strategist and say, hey, what's all this analytics stuff mean? It's not all that far and you can learn it fairly quickly. If you like short lessons like this, do me a favor. Go ahead and click the like button below as well as subscribe and reach out to me and let me know if there's something you want me to cover. You can find me at my website, themarketingprofessor.net, and all the social places online. We're also building a Marketing Professor Discord community where you can share digital marketing tips and tricks, talk about how it's grown your business, and if you're seeking a career in digital marketing, there's also some resources there to help you on your journey. Thanks a lot for joining me. I'll talk to you next time. See ya.